how to place order on SHEIN app. So first of all, simply open up your SHEIN app. Then once you open up your SHEIN app, you're going to see this type of interface where you need to simply select the products that you want to buy. So just select the combination of products or anything that you would like to buy. You can also actually sort them or search for them based on category, size, and so on. So let's say this is the product I want to buy. First of all, what I need to do is I just need to select the color. Once I selected the color, I just need to choose the size. And after I choose the size, I can just select the quantity, and then I can simply add this to my cart. You can keep adding more products to your cart, but if you're happy with your cart, then you can tap the cart option from the top right, and now you can just go to the checkout process by selecting the item, going to the checkout button. The next thing it will require you is just simply enter your shipping details. So make sure to enter the country and so on. Once you enter the shipping details over here, what you want to do is you can simply enter all of your delivery details. After this process is complete, it will take you to the page where you can simply enter your payment method. And once you have entered your payment method and submitted and paid for the plural, you will have successfully placed your order. This way, you can place an order on the SHEIN app. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.